Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be discussing how much money can you make from YouTube with 1 million views on your channel. It's an interesting subject. I did a bit of a dive on it. I was surprised myself by the info I found out. I think I've got some useful insights to share with you. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, so how much can you earn from 1 million views on your YouTube channel? Sounds a lot, doesn't it? You know, I don't know what figures coming through your mind, all these wealthy YouTube influencers with their Mercs and their whatever flashy car they're driving. But the reality is that you can earn between $1,000 and $10,000. It's not to be sneezed at, but it's also not going to dramatically change your life. The reality is, folks, between 1% and 3% of all the creators on YouTube make the kind of money that you think they're making. So I know that's a little bit depressing, but don't be too depressed, because there's a lot of other ways to make money on YouTube. And I'm going to go through them quickly. I've also written a great article that goes into this in even more detail, and you'll find the link in the video description underneath, folks. So one of the other factors that really fascinated me was that over 52% of all internet users have utilized YouTube at least once during the month. And if I'm comparing myself, it's a lot more than once. I literally use YouTube as my entertainment, and one of the ways that I educate myself about digital marketing, about e-learning, about the trends, basically on it all the time, basically. Too much. The other factor is that YouTube is in a death march with TikTok. I was absolutely stunned by the growth of TikTok. It is becoming a juggernaut of a platform. Its growth is twice as quick than what Facebook's growth was. It is just staggering, and it looks like the outcome is that it's going to be a sizably bigger business than Facebook, Meta, and it could also challenge YouTube. And I think YouTube knows this. One of the reasons why they've gone into shorts so hard. Really fascinating, really. So let's get back to the money side of it. Like I say, I did depress you at the beginning of this video about the realistic amount that you could earn directly from YouTube. But the good news is there's many other ways. There's that's one of the membership, Patreon, selling courses, utilizing your free content on YouTube to drive people to a membership site where you have your more bigger courses, your paid courses, which I think you should do on WordPress. Utilize Patreon, where you've got extra video content, you've got engagement with your patrons. I've done a video on that, and there's a extensive article on the WP-Tonic website about utilizing Patreon with YouTube. There's affiliate marketing. It's one of the biggest ways of making some serious money from your YouTube channel if you get to a certain level. I know a few people in the WordPress space that make a pretty good living, a very nice living off affiliate marketing through their YouTube channel. They've had to do a ton of work like anything else, but the only thing with it is that I wouldn't like my whole income to be dependent on one vector around affiliate marketing. I think that's a little bit risky myself, but everybody to their own thing. They need to all go on to TikTok, don't they, folks? I'm looking at it. I'm not sure if I want the Chinese to have all my personal information, though. It's bad enough that Google knows too much. So I think I'll give you a quick outline. Like I say, if you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up, be generous, hit the bell. And if you're really generous, subscribe to the channel. It really, really does encourage me to make more of these videos. Like I say, I've written a great, more detailed article. You'll find the link in the video description. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.